Hi! Welcome back to my channel. It's Allie here, and as you can tell, I'm so excited. Today is the first day of Allieween. I'm really excited. I don't really know how to explain this. So, if you've been on my channel or my blog or my Instagram account in the past like 2 years, you would know that I've attempted to do 31 days of, well, first I call it Allieween with, like, you know, the H and then, you know, the alley part. And then I changed it to just 31 days of Halloween last year, which I actually did successfully on my Instagram account. I did like miss a day or two because I was sick, but then I like went back and I still got 31 looks. It doesn't matter. But now I'm taking another shot at 31 days of we're calling it Allieween now. Maybe we'll stick, I don't know. But I came back with 31 days of Allieween, and I started filming in like late July, early August. So that is what's going on right now. So far so good. I'm just gonna kinda keep maintaining it. This is definitely like a project that like I've been planning for a long time, and then it's just you have to get an early start in order to be successful at it, because if you wait till like September 31st, no, there's not 31 days in September. So if you wait till September 30th, it's not gonna work. Believe me, it's not gonna work. So it just takes a lot of time and practice, and yes, I'm very excited for this series. As you can tell, today's tutorial is gonna be a cheetah, in case you didn't know. I tried doing like little like ears, but you'll see that in the tutorial. So I kind of want to just like talk about what to expect for the 31 days of Allieween. I'm so excited. Like, I've been planning this for so long, and I'm finally getting it up, and this is kind of like why I've been like a little bit distant, not posting a lot on YouTube or Instagram or anything really. I haven't really been posting anywhere really because I've been working on this, and I want this to be like my big like comeback. Like, I know I said that back in like my Pride tutorial, I think, but I want this to be like my epic comeback. And yeah, and then the funny thing is I'm not even a makeup artist. I'm not even that good, but I just do it for fun. So I hope you enjoy. A lot of these looks are Pinterest inspired. So yeah, pretty cool. This is my take on a few actually Pinterest looks. I think I did okay, but I don't know. I look weird because I got like the nude top and the black lip, and it looks weird. But anyway, so this first week of Allieween is kind of gonna be like a rant. I mean, okay. I don't want to spoil it for you, so I'm not gonna spoil it too much. But each week is gonna have a theme, and this week I'm gonna tell you what this week's theme is. This week's theme is random. This is all just the random-ish that I come up with in my head, or if I go on Pinterest and I see it, I get inspired, I want to try it, or something similar to it. So this week is random. Next week, you're just gonna have to wait and see. So that is kind of the breakdown for Allieween. Yeah, I guess that's it for this week. Not this week, but I guess that's it for kind of like discussing what Allieween is. Again, I'm so excited. Like, I've been planning this for a really long time, and I'm excited that we're finally like getting it together and everything. Without any further ado, let's just get on into this cheetah makeup tutorial.
Alright, so first I'm just gonna prime my eyelids with the NYX eyeshadow base, and this is in nude, I believe. And then I'm gonna take some Scotch tape and put it on the outer corners of my eyes. And then I'm going in with the Morphe 35L palette. I know this one's kind of old, but I'm just going in with this nice nude shade and putting that in my crease with a little fluffy blending brush. Then I'm going back with the other blending brush, and I'm putting more of a dark chocolate-ish brown in the outer corner. And I'm taking the NYX Vivid Brights cream color in Lumiere, and I'm putting that on my lid. And then I'm taking another nude brown shadow, putting that in the crease with a little flat definer brush, and then just blending it out more and more. Then I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Liner, and just using that to line, make a nice fresh wing, and then taking off the Scotch tape as we do not need it anymore. Then I'm going in with the Smashbox primer water and using that to just prime my face. Then going in with the Tarte Shape Tape concealers in the shade Light Neutral to cover up some blemishes, and also Light Sand to highlight underneath my eyes. Then I'm going in with this NYX Liquid Illuminator and a Wet n Wild Mega Glow Halo highlighter, and I'm basically just blending both of them together just to have like a nice golden champagne-y type of skin thing. I don't know. And then I'm going over it with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I believe this is in the shade Golden Beige. Then I'm going in with this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette, and I'm going in with that shade. It doesn't really have a name. I'm trying to think of what the name of this palette is. It's the La Leche one. Then I'm gonna actually put on some lip balm, and I love Sun Bum products. That's the coconut flavor. Then I went over with the Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter, to highlight. Then I'm going in with this NYX black pencil liner, and I'm just using that to kind of tight line and water my waterline. And then I'm taking that NYX Epic Ink liner again, and I'm kind of making a little triangle in the inner corner, trying to like give it that more cat eye effect. Then I'm taking this, what are you? I'm trying to think, sorry. It's like a Wet n Wild black liquid liner. It's a H2O something, I cannot remember. But I'm basically just making some random dots and trying to attempt at making a cheetah pattern. I'm gonna be honest, some of like the dots and like the lines, it kind of makes it look like a smiley face, but that's okay. Then I'm taking the Wet n Wild gel black liner and using that to kind of give myself a cat nose on my nose. And I'm also making some whiskers, and I don't know if it's all whiskers, because the whiskers I feel like is always like the hairs that stick out, but I also made like little dots to give it that more cat effect. Then I'm going in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. I'm going to be honest, I don't remember every shade name, but I'm taking a nice nude on top, and then I'm putting a black on the bottom lip, and then I went in with the Morphe Robertson lashes and do a lash glue to apply the lashes. And then that's pretty much it for the makeup. Then for the hair, what I did is I made like little two tiny ponytails, like kind of, not ponytails, but like I grabbed some hair and then surrounded it in a little elastic, pulling it up so that way it kind of looks like horns. And then I'm just taking the hair that's in that and then wrapping it around the hair that's sticking up. I don't know if that really makes sense, but you'll be able to see here what I'm doing. And then also, like, once the hair is all around, you just secure it with a bobby pin.
Alright, and that is it for this Cheetah makeup tutorial and the first day of Allieween. I really hope you enjoyed. I had so much fun creating it. So definitely like come back tomorrow if you want to see the next look. I don't know what it is right now at this moment, but I'm sure like editing and Allie will figure it out later. But anyway, plus we don't want to spoil it for you. What's the fun of coming back if you know what it's going to be? Alright, that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed, and I really hope you come back tomorrow for tomorrow's tutorial. And yes, social media is linked down below, along with my blog and with some coupon codes for Pura Vida bracelets and Sand Cloud towels. And yes, I guess that's it, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.